All right, come grocery shop in our backyard garden with me. I thought it'd be fun to share with everyone. First, I'm gonna start with eggs. We have two chickens that are laying eggs, and the rest of the chicks that we got in the spring have not started yet. So we have these fake eggs, but it looks like no eggs in here yet. Let's check the other area. Not seeing any in here. We do have a chicken that jumps the fence and then lays an egg in this one spot. So let's go over and check that area. All right, there's Sparkles. She must have jumped the fence, so I bet her egg is in that secret spot. Okay. So here's the spot. Little nesting spot, and it looks like there is an egg today. All right, one egg. And make sure to stay till the end because I'm going to calculate how much everything's worth and actually put some numbers to this. All right, avocados next. Okay, I'm just going to put this right here for a second. So it's been really windy. This is our avocado tree. We grow bacon avocados, and it's been really windy, so I'm going to look for avocados that have fallen first. There's one right here. It's a little beaten up. I don't know about that one. We'll put this one in the compost. All right, into the compost. I'm not seeing any avocados that have fallen. So let's find some in here. Here's one. Let me get my clippers. All right, let's catch this one, Scotty Bear. Put your hand on the bottom of it. Where is it? Here. All right, we got one. There's another one that's pretty low. Let's get this one. All right, want to catch this one?
Yay!
All right, there's lots of avocados. I just want to get probably 3 or 4 today because we just like to pick them as they go. It takes a while for them to ripen, so we just like to always have some on hand. So it's the beginning of the season, so I'm just going to get 3 or 4 today. Here's another one. All right, want to catch this one? All right. And then we have bananas up here. Yeah, that's the egg we found.
Yeah, I found it.
All right, these bananas, these are a Thai variety. They're starting to yellow, but they're not quite ready yet, so we'll leave those. All right, one more avocado. Hopefully I can just get one that I can reach. Here's one. Where'd it go? All right, I'm gonna get that one. Okay, so what? Show us the avocados. How many do we have?
3, 4, 5, 6.
We have 4! Yay! All right, let's go check the passion fruit, see if anything. Or actually, let's see if there's. We did have some guavas that were yellow and ripened, but I'm not seeing any right now. So no guavas yet. All right, oranges aren't ready yet. Grapefruit, not yet. I have had passion fruit ripe in December before, but it doesn't look like any of these are close to being ripe yet. Let's see. No, I'm not seeing any passion fruit quite yet. Okay. So chickens like the passion fruit vine too. And let's just get a couple bay leaves because I need them for later. So I'm just gonna do put one here, the base, and then another one right here. Oh, it smells so good. All right, so these are going in the rice tonight. And if you're interested in growing bay leaves, I have a video on it. I can link it here. Bay leaves. Okay, so I'm checking to see if any of our bananas are yellow so we can chop down the whole rack. Oh, there are some.
Yeah, they're pie.
So these ones right here are starting to yellow, so we can cut that down. So, okay, so there's one rack We're gonna have lots of bananas if there's more than one ready. That one's okay. All right, hold on. Okay, oh, here's some right here. Nothing there, those are okay. And papayas, let's see if any of them are orange and ready to pick. No. So these are the solo papayas, and there's some more solo papayas up here, but they're not ready yet. And then we have broadleaf papayas over here. Oh, it doesn't look like any of those are ready yet either. Nope. Okay. So let me get everything together for you and we'll see how much everything is together. Actually, I think I'm gonna pick one of the lemongrass as well. We usually do this with gloves. Actually, let me get my shovel. Okay, let me just get one of these. Let me see if I can do this one with one hand. Okay, nope, can't do. Oh no, I did it. All right, so we got the lemongrass. Let's go calculate all this out. I heard Mickey, there she is. I heard her doing her egg song, so I think she will be laying an egg soon. We'll see. Mickey, are you laying an egg? Okay, I'll come back in a little bit. Okay, let's see if she laid an egg. There it is. Lots of feathers. Okay, one egg. All right, we just got the bananas down. Now we're gonna bring them inside. And look, I found another flower. So there's another, before the bananas start coming out, it looks like this. So look, there's more bananas coming up too. All right, there it is. Where's the yellow part? Yeah, there it is. All right, so here's everything we've picked. We have the bananas, avocados, we have lemongrass and bay leaf. We grow everything organically here, so these are organic. So let's talk numbers. So let's start with the bay leaves. So you can find dried bay leaves at Trader Joe's for $3.99. They are not organic, but they, you know, in each jar, they have about 20 bay leaves. So I calculated that out, and that would be about 19 cents each for each bay leaf. And since we have two, that'd be 38 cents. Of course, these are organic, so they probably are a little bit more, but let's just go with that for now. All right, we have one stalk of lemongrass. Locally around here, I'm in Southern California. I found the lemongrass for one fresh at the grocery store at Vons or Albertsons. It's $1.40. And I've tried to find organic before because I like to buy organic ones from the grocery store and just plant them. And I haven't found any organic locally. So let's just go with the $1.40 for lemongrass. But yeah, this would probably be more too. For the bacon avocados, you can find them locally at Trader Joe's for four organic avocados for $4.99. They are Hass. Same thing at Costco. I found organic Hass avocados for $7.99 for 6. So for 4 avocados here, we could put $4.99, but since these are bacon avocados, they do end up being a little bit more. I can find bacon avocados at the farmer's market sometime. Not lately, so I don't know what the price is for that, but they tend to be a lot more expensive. But online, if you want bacon avocados for 4, it'd be $26.63 for 4 bacon avocados, but not organic. So let's just go with the $26.63. For the bananas, I'm gonna count them in just a second. It's hard to count them on here, so I'm gonna cut them off. But at Trader Joe's for an organic banana, they're 29 cents. These are actually ice cream bananas. They're a little smaller than the typical banana, but they're really good, and they're, you know, rare around here. So they'd be more, but let's just go with the 29 cents. By the way, I'm gonna do a banana video on how to grow bananas and harvest them. For these ice cream bananas, what we usually do is we cut down the whole rack once this starts to yellow, and these will all ripen within the next week and be ready to eat. So I like to cut them all off and just have them ready to go. And let me go do that now so I can count and see how many bananas we have. All right, bananas have all been cut off the rack. And I counted, we have 105 ice cream bananas. So at 29 cents, if we sold them for 29 cents, that's what Trader Joe's does with their Cavendish bananas. It would be $30.45 before tax. These are probably actually worth a little bit more. But since I never see them being sold, I'm not 100% sure what exactly that would be. So let me total up everything and see what our full total is for all this produce. Okay, so the total comes to $58.86. This is for the bay leaves, the lemongrass, the avocados, and the bananas. This is just, you know, not so much going on in the winter. It's December. I can do more of these videos if that's something you guys are interested in. Please let me know if you like this. Please comment, subscribe. I'm planning to do a video on how to grow the bacon avocados and lots of information about growing bananas as well. You can always let me know what interests you and what questions you have. Otherwise, I will see you next time. Thank you for grocery shopping your garden, my garden with me. I forgot to add the 2 eggs that we got today as well. So our eggs are organic. We have organic feed for our chickens. We let them free range. And the cheapest at a grocery store for organic eggs that are free range that I can find is at Costco, and it's $7.99. Yeah, $7.99 for 24. So that would be 33 cents each before tax. So since there's 2, it's 66 cents. And I added everything together, so total with the eggs would be $59.52. And then here in Southern California, where I'm at, the sales tax at a grocery store would be 7.25%. So I've added the sales tax. So total for today is $63.83 for the avocados, lemongrass, bay leaves, bananas, and eggs. So we have 2 of our chickens have started laying. We have more, so hopefully that will go up soon when the others start laying as well. And yeah, I'll keep you updated. We can do more of these. And yeah, just let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.